Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Locate your profile picture in the top right corner of your screen and click on it to open a drop-down menu. Click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy menu, select Settings. Click on Account Center, then Personal Details. In this section, click on Account Ownership and Control. You'll see the option for deactivation or deletion. Click on it. Then choose the account you want to delete. You will then be given options to deactivate or delete your account. I want to delete it, so I'll choose the Delete Account option and click Continue. You will be asked to provide a reason for deleting your Facebook account. You can choose one or simply tap Continue. There is some important information here you should read through before you delete your account. When that is done, click on Continue at the bottom. Enter your password to confirm your identity and click on Continue. And that's how to delete your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tech guides.